Hi, I'm Mark and I'm in my third year doing mechanical engineering for Reekie Machining. Before this, I was in KFC doing part-time work, also studying electrical engineering in the West Coast of Scotland in Paisley. And then I got a phone call coming from Tam, my uncle, saying they might have a wee opportunity here, so I took it. My first 6 months in here, I was sent to a training centre out in East Kilbride, and they would basically just train you up on each machine, learning the basics pretty much. And then once you've got all that, you pass there, come into here, you're sort of exposed to those machines. So you use the practice that you learned in East Kilbride, you take it in here and just sort of build up your own confidence as you're coming in here. Typical day in here, we do conventional milling and CNC work as well. So it could be on the mills, on the lathes, manufacturing parts for jobs or projects. You get to see them through. You know, first starting off, you come in here and there's a lot to take in, a lot of machines, a lot of work. But the more you come in, the more you learn, the more you kind of gain sort of confidence. And just taking that forward is the best thing to do. Coming in, willing to learn, and just taking your time with your work, make sure that you get it right. Every day is different. You know, you could be facing a challenge one day, and then another day, you know, the job could never be easy. You don't really know, and it involves a lot of problem solving as well. When you come in here, you can work on your own or as a team as well together to solve the problem. It's just all about sort of learning off the more experienced lads that are out there, taking in what they've got to say, all their little tricks. It's helped me out a lot whilst I've been here. The environment in here is very much that. We do grow very much. They put you in sort of in the deep end if you're not very confident. We'll say give you a little push maybe. And I think that's helped me massively, kind of growing. A lot of jobs do involve a lot of problem solving, even if it's yourself or you can go and grab someone else as well. You can both solve the problem together. And the responsibility as well, you know, they sort of trust you to take on the job. Even if it's a big one, they'll put their faith in you to complete it. My future in Reekie's will just to be continuing my development as an on-site machinist and in the workshop as well. Learning off of the experienced lads that are involved in here and just taking my time really, making sure that I'm getting the job done right and enjoying my work.